In this video, we will talk about the departmentation in an organization and centralized and decentralized structure of an organization. Departmentation is the means of dividing a large and monolithic functional organization into a smaller, flexible, and administrative units. Departmentation is the process by which similar activities of the business are grouped into units for the purpose of facilitating a smooth administration at all levels. It implies the division of total work of an organization into individual functions and sub-functions. It is the process of division of organization into different parts known as departments. There are two types of organizational structure: centralized and decentralized. Centralized structure. Centralized organizational structures rely on one individual to make decisions and provide direction for the company. A small businesses often use this structure since the owner is responsible for the company's business operations. Centralized organizations can be extremely efficient regarding business decisions. Business owners typically develop the company's vision and set objectives for managers and employees to follow when achieving these goals. Centralized organizations can suffer from the negative effects of several layers of bureaucracy. Often have multiple management layers, stretching from owner down to frontline operations. Business owners for making every decision in the company may require more time to accomplish these tasks, which can result in sluggish business operations. Decentralized structure. Decentralized organizational structures often have several individuals. Those are responsible for making business decisions and running the business. Decentralized organizations rely on a team environment at different levels in the business. Individuals at each level in the business may have some autonomy to make business decisions. Decentralized organizations utilize individuals with a variety of expertise and knowledge for running various business operations. A broad-based management team helps to ensure the company has knowledgeable directors or managers to handle various types of business situations. Decentralized organizations can struggle with multiple individuals having different opinions on a particular business decision. As such, these businesses can face difficulties in trying to get everyone on the same page when making decisions. As we see, each structure offers advantages and disadvantages for business owners. So business owners should carefully consider which type of organizational structure to use in their company. Business owners may need to consider changing the organizational structure depending on the growth and expansion of business operations. Thank you.